Yeah.
Let's go in the sun.
It's just gonna look weird from the side. It's gonna... Yeah, this is the lady who named the ferry boat.
It's delicious.
Yes.
And nutritious.
Enjoy it.
Thank you, I will.
Yes.
Thanks for playing along.
No, this is great. Before the...
Okay, wait, hold on, please.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, you got a shop already.
I know, look, I don't even need a table. Look at the built-in table. Let me just get some napkins here. Okay.
My son made that.
He did? They gave it to me a few weeks ago and I was so excited.
Yeah, they were cleaning out the garage.
They live up on 305.
Yeah, their kids are doing the cotton candy right here.
Oh my gosh, I should go say hello. Since it was gifted through Free on the Rock, everybody.
Yes.
You should go to Free on the Rock because you can get cool shit.
My creative son.
He is creative. Well, let him know I'm loving every moment.
And then his wife dressed up as a fairy.
Yes,
So
a
it was
fairy
yeah.
and a fairy. What a lovely couple. All right, let's go check out these kids and see if they recognize their dad's costume.
You're rocking it.
Thank you. It was your dad who made it, yes? Well, tell him I love it. It's been so much fun, and I got a free Ferry Boat Pizza because I will.
Well, I'm sure he'll love that you're enjoying it. So.
I am. Okay, bye. Oh, okay, hold on.
See Alexis, where is she? Yeah, hot dog.
Thank you. Now let's eat. Turbulent waters. Okay guys, now I'm going to actually sit down and eat my Ferry Boat Pizza.